Do I need to adjust the oven temperature or baking time when using a stainless steel bowl?
Hello and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to tackle a common question. Do I need to adjust the oven temperature or baking time when using a stainless steel bowl? This question might cross your mind when you're planning to bake in a stainless steel bowl rather than the typical baking pan. Let's get into the details.
What's the difference between stainless steel and other baking materials?
The key to answering this question is understanding that different materials conduct heat differently. Stainless steel is a good heat conductor, meaning it heats up faster and retains heat longer than materials like glass or ceramic. So, when you use a stainless steel bowl for baking, the heat transfer is more efficient. This might mean your baked goods could cook faster or potentially overcook if you don't keep an eye on them.
Do I need to adjust the oven temperature?
In most cases, you won't need to adjust the oven temperature when baking with a stainless steel bowl. However, it's always a good idea to monitor your baking closely, especially if you're trying a new recipe or using a new baking tool. While the temperature remains the same, the stainless steel's efficient heat conductivity might lead to quicker baking times.
Do I need to adjust the baking time?
Given the efficient heat conduction of stainless steel, you might find that your baking time decreases. Start checking for doneness a bit earlier than the recipe indicates to prevent overbaking. For example, if the recipe says to bake for 30 minutes, start checking around the 25-minute mark. The actual decrease in baking time can vary depending on various factors like your specific oven, the size of your stainless steel bowl, and the type of recipe you're making. In conclusion, while you don't typically need to adjust the oven temperature when using a stainless steel bowl, you may need to reduce the baking time due to the efficient heat conduction. Remember, baking is both a science and an art. Keep an eye on your oven, get to know your tools and materials, and happy baking! We hope this video has been helpful.